students. Today's practical is basically on lesson number 5, working with the styles and objects. In this today's practical, we learn how to insert word art in our page or in a document, how to apply different type of style for the text, how to divide our page in a columns, how to add a border to the page, then how to add different type of shape with the help of insert tab, then how to add a different text with the help of page insert option. In the text we have to add a shape, we have to add a text in the shape, then how to add different type of symbols or a special character with the help of insert tab. All these things we learn in this today's practical. Okay, so for that, first open Microsoft Word. You see this, your output will be, final output is look like this. So for this output, how we create page, that we learn today. So I am open the Microsoft Word document. Okay, after that, first of all, go to page layout option, select margin. You have to select margin for all side, left, right, top, bottom as a 0.5. Second thing, go to the column section, divide your page into 3 columns. When you divide your page into 3 columns, it will automatically divide the data also. Okay, after that, go to insert tab. In the insert tab there is a text group. In that text group, option is word art. So select the word art as you want, as you like. So I am selecting this word art first, and first is Avail, Avail, Avail. Okay, size and font of this is 28. Here is Tahoma. Select font as a Tahoma, font size as a 28, and click on OK. Okay, after that, increase its size and give some bold effect. Go to formatting word art. In the formatting word art, you can change the color also. Okay, you can give the size, different type of size also, height and width. You can change the layout also, and you can give the alt text, means alternative text. For example, avail text, you don't want this text, you can delete that text and give the another text also. Okay, so this is the first thing. Click on OK. Next thing, enter the opportunity. After that, select this text, increase its size. After that, enter. Next is computer courses. In that, apply bullets and numbering. So with the help of home tab in a paragraph group, there is a bullets and numbering. Select whichever bullets you want. First point is using internet. Next is sending email. Explore to multimedia. Next thing, group A. In that, add sub point. So for the differentiate sub point, I am adding another bullet, that is MS Word. Next is MS Excel. Next is again a bullet as a group A, then group B, add different bullet as a subtitle, MS PowerPoint, enter. So join this word as a PowerPoint. Then next is MS Access. Okay, now format this data, change its font and color. On page number 55, you see on page number 55 there are given some instruction. So for that you have to give the font size 18 and apply Arial. So select Arial and I am increasing the size and changing the color also. Then after that, what you have to do, you have to give the till first column is completed. Now we have to shift to the next column. For that, go to page layout. There is a break option is here. Click on that drop down arrow and select a column, means we have to break the column. After that, in that again we have to add a word art. So word art is for kids pool computer courses. So write down kids pool, enter, computer courses or a computer course. Okay, and for that you have to give the same, change its font size to 28, apply bold and Tahoma, click on OK. For this you have to shift this arrow little bit, so it will shift to the left side and you can give some boldness. Okay, after that go to the format section and format with the shape fill. We have to apply shape fill as a green and shape outline also a green color. Here there are different type of word art also, so you can change the word art like this also. Okay, after that, next point is what you have to add. You have to add a shape. For the shape, adding the shape, go to the insert tab. There is a option shape. In that you have to add a square, or you also add text box in it also. Okay, so I am first showing you how to add a text. Insert, shape, square, and this shape. Now do the formatting. So outer border should be change the color, and shape will having some another color, that is this one. After that, right click, add text, and add duration 1 month. Okay, select that text, change its font size as a Times New Roman, change its increase its size, give the boldness, and change its color to some dark. Okay, after that, next again you have to add some shape. So go to the insert tab again, click on shape. In the call out there are different type of shape, so in that you have to select one shape and draw a shape, adjust that shape. After that, change its formatting, like a outer border, then shape filled, and then again go to the insert tab, add shape. Next shape should be a star for the banner. Draw that star shape, adjust that star shape also, and format it. Star shape having some outer border, change it some outer border, and again right click, add text as a enjoy the vacation. So for that, increase its size so it is visible to you. You can increase the shape of and adjust as per the size. Again go to the insert tab. Next shape you have to add have a nice day. For that, go to star and banner, select the shape, change its outer border as a blue, and write a text as have a nice day. So right click, add text, have a nice day. Okay, finish with the text and the insertion option. Now again go to page layout tab and break as a column. Finish with the text. Now we have to go to the next column. Just wait a minute, our cursor is now. Last thing, you have to add a word art. Go to the insert tab, there is option word art, select a word art. Text is summer camp. Its size should be Times New Roman, not a Times New Roman, Tahoma 28. Click on bold. Yes, okay. Now change its shape fill color as a dark. Some edit text. It's a summer camp. Okay. Now next thing, go down and add the text, the remaining text. First one is hobby courses. Add bullets. Flower arrangement. Next is clay modeling. Then painting. Then western dance. Then classical dance. In that classical dance, you have to change the bullets, as you can change this also as a Kathak. Next is Bharatnatyam. Next is folk dance. So this type of data you have to add. Okay, this is your basic banner, or you can set the, this is your banner for creating any advertisement. Okay, so with the help of word art feature, you can create different type of banner, or a greeting card also for a Diwali. If you have to wish Diwali to your friend or a new year to friend, you can create this type of banner and you can give the presentation. Okay, next thing, after that, some addition features that you can learn. If you want to add border to your page, okay, so page layout, page border is there. Go to page border box, select any color, select the thickness of the border. You can select different type of art also. There are different type of arts are there. Okay, you can select that art also and click on OK. After that, you have to adjust some data. Okay, so with the help of word art, then shape, columns break, with the help of these type of features, you can create a banner or you can create a magazine. Okay, for the advertisement, for wish something, this different type of activities you can use the word art feature. Okay, so like this practical, you have also create a same practical as it is with the help of Microsoft Word and mail on my mail ID. Thank you.